Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a drugstore makeup haul that I'm doing, and it's also a tutorial. I have some things that I'm going to be putting on my face and other things I just had. Anyway, so let's get into the video. Okay, so to start off today's video, we are going to be jumping in with the Wet n Wild Base Primer Photo Focus. This refines your pores, fills lines and wrinkles, brightens complexion, even out skin tone. This bad boy retails for about $4.99, so I'm just going to be going in with this here. Okay, I'm just smoothing this all out over my face. Make sure I get everywhere. It smells a little like a baby lotion or something. It smells kind of like a baby lotion. But yeah, so I'm just smoothing that all out. My face does feel super smooth, I have to say. Okay. So next going in, I picked up the Artisan brush set from 2UO, and this retails for about $79. I picked it up at Shoppers. So that being said, I'm going to try out this new foundation I also picked up, and this is the new Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation, and I'm the shade 110 Porcelain. So I've never tried this out before, but I'm hoping that when they say it's full coverage, it's full coverage. I hope I got the right shade. I'm praying I did anyway. Okay. So I'm just dabbing this all over my face, and I'll get some. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking this brush and just going in, putting it all over my face. I probably look naked to you guys right now, but I do have a blue shirt on. My camera's focused more at my face, so I am not naked. Don't think I am, okay? Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with the Instant Age Rewind Treatment Concealer by Maybelline, and I am in the shade Fair Claire. So I'm just going to be putting this under my under eyes and a little on my red spot under my other under eye. And just dab it a couple places around. Okay, I'm going to be taking my Beauty Blender and just dabbing that all under my eyes. Okay, next I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild pressed powder by it's the Goodbye Flashback powder. So I'm just going to be taking my e.l.f. Kabuki brush, and I am just going to be putting this all over my face. And no, I did not pick this up when I went to the drugstore. I had this before. But I've been meaning to try some new powders out, so comment down below what powders you guys are using. I know a lot of you are probably using the Kat Von D one that really helps with your pores, but I have not yet to try that out. Comment down below if you think I should, or just comment what kind of powders you guys have been using. I'd love to try some out. Awesome. So, okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I'm just going to be contouring some of my face. So when I'm filming this video, I'm actually home from school because I have a storm day. It is storming like crazy out. We have like 90 kilometers of winds per hour. We're supposed to get up to 15 centimeters. So yeah, this gave me lots of time to film, which was awesome. And if you guys are wondering what I'm going to school for, I'm actually going to school to be an esthetician. So I am going to school to be a makeup artist. We actually don't learn a lot of the makeup part, which is weird. We actually learn more like of aesthetic stuff, like massages and facials and skincare and all that. But like, yeah, we don't actually learn a whole lot of like makeup in it. So I'm basically just kind of like teaching myself, and I've been teaching myself since I was like 13 years old. So I'll be posting lots of videos for you guys and be showing you what I could do. So next I'm going to be going in with my Sephora Winter Flush palette that I picked up from Sephora, but I picked this up like a while ago, and I'm just going to be going in with this shade right here, like the more purpley one. I'm just going to be putting that right above my contour, because we don't want this to mix in with our highlight too much. We want there to be kind of a barrier there, but we want it to be well blended into our contour. For a highlight, I'm going to be using the Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be taking the shade Blue Ice right here at the top. And I'm just going to be putting this all over my cheekbones. Woo! That is a highlight and a half. And I'll put a little down my nose. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to dab it at the front. And I'm going to be dabbing it rubbing it on my tip of my nose right there. So next I'm going to be jumping into my eyebrows, and I picked up this from Shoppers. It's the Nyx Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. This retails for about $12. So I'm just going to do my brows, and I will be back in a flash. So brows are on. I just basically drew the lines up at the front, and then I just basically filled the sides in. So the next thing I picked up is I picked up the Nyx Metals Palette from Nyx, I guess. It's one of the new palettes that came out with their collection of like the Rainforest Waterfall, I think they're called. Anyway, so this retails for about $40. I picked it up at Lawton's, but I got it on sale for $20. So I'm just going to be doing a little makeup tutorial with my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to be going in the start with my Morphe palette, the 35N, with the colors that just look like these, and I'm going to be using this one to start off right here. So I'm just going to be taking an e.l.f. fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be moving this and putting it all through my crease. So going in with the other side, I'm just going to be taking that color again, and I'm just going to be taking it and putting it in my crease almost up to my eyebrow, so like halfway right up to here. And it's just a peachy color, and it's just to neutralize the eye a little bit, and it's a very good blending transition shade. So next I'm going to be going in with this shade right here on the left, and I am just going to be putting this almost right over the other one. So right over the top. And going in with the other side, I'm just going to do the other one. Taking my e.l.f. crease brush right here, I'm going to be taking this color right here. And it's just more of like a brownish, purpley-ish pink. So I'm just going to be putting this in my lower crease and putting it all over, just blending that in. So now that that's all blended out, what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be taking my Detail Crease Brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to be taking this darker shade right here, And I'm just going to be putting this literally on the very, very bottom of my crease. Just like right on the crease line. I'm going to be going in with my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer and my e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush. And I'm just going to be doing a half cut crease so that when I put the metal on, like the metal eyeshadow, it really, really, really stands out. I want you guys to still be able to see it. Okay, so I'm just taking it right in the corner here and I'm just dragging that up. And I'm just putting it out. Alright, I'm just blending this towards the center here. So I'm just dragging this up the center. Here. Magic of the NYX palette. Okay, so going in with this, I'm going to be taking this shade right up here. It's like a very metally brownish shade. It's quite gorgeous actually. And I'm just going to be taking one of my collection Sephora brushes here that I got. And it's just a flat brush. And I'm just going to be taking this color right here. And I'm just going to be patting it where I put that concealer. So now that that's on, I'm just going to be taking my Morphe palette again one more time. And I like to do this more at the end. I find it adds more effect. So I'm just going to be taking this shade right down here, and it's a darker shade. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be taking this and I'm going to be just putting it right here in the corner. And I find this just gives a more of an effect to your eye, kind of makes it more dramatic. Okay, so for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using my Milani Eye Tech Perfection Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to do a little wing, not too dramatic, but so I'm just starting and I'm putting it under like this. Okay, so now that my wings are both on, I am just going to be lashes. I am just going to be using this, and it is a Danielle eyelash curler that I literally just got at Winners. But it's honestly like my favorite eyelash curler I've ever used. I don't really like, I'm not a huge like eyelash curler fan. Like I don't have a billion, I have 2, and I have a lot of everything for my makeup collection, but I don't know, I don't really curl my eyelashes that much because I just think I have longer eyelashes already. Anyway, so I'm going to be going in with my Gigi Hadid Maybelline mascara, and I don't know, but I have been raving about this mascara lately. Like, I honestly think it's better than the Lash in Paradise by L'Oreal. That was my favorite, but this has honestly just like blew me out of the water, and I'll show you guys in just one sec. Oh, like it's amazing, I swear to God. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that there, but even that alone did a lot. It's just really awesome. I'm just waiting to see how long this one lasts, because I know the Lash in Paradise one doesn't last you too long. It does dry out really, really quickly. So I'm going to be putting on the NYX Lingerie French Maid shade from NYX. That kind of rhymed. I'm just going to be putting this all over my lips. Okay, so that is the complete look there. I'll just get a close-up for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. This completes my video today, and it is basically just a sunsetty makeup tutorial. It's just very simple and cute, like a champagne, I guess. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, give me a thumbs up, and love you guys. See you guys later. Bye.